Now let's do the Hawaiian language, the Lord's Prayer, learned step by step. So this is the homepage of Hawaiian language, and in here you'll see the instruction games, skill games, ability test, study, and other options that one could take advantage of, whether you are an adult learner of Hawaiian or you are Hawaiian and need to practice and you want to maintain your language, or you're trying to help children to learn, whether you're a teacher or your own children. This could help, okay? So we're going to go through the Hawaiian language, the Lord's Prayer. So let's go to instruction games. And then from there we're going to scroll down to cultural aspects. And then we're going to pick the Lord's Prayer category. And from there we have a variety of different games that we could play to help to practice the Lord's Prayer, or things related to or involving the Lord's Prayer. But we're going to go for the first one here, which is learn step by step. The Lord's Prayer, learn step by step. Okay, so here we have the Hawaiian, the Lord's Prayer in Hawaiian. And before we get started, I'm going to say at this point, we're not trying to focus on accents or trying to sound like a native speaker. We have this written here. I'm going to read this in the way that I would say it, or the way I'm seeing it. However, the point of this is to just become familiar with the words and to get a sense for what the different phrases within the Lord's Prayer, what means, what the meanings kind of are, and be familiar with seeing and saying and kind of feel comfortable with the words that are being used. And then when you're with the people, or you're in church setting, or you're praying with someone, or you're praying on your own, the native accent that you need will come out at the time that you need it. There are videos of the Hawaiian Lord's Prayer you could mimic, which would help with the accent. Okay, but we're not focused on that right now. So let's go ahead and read. I'm going to read it in the way I would read it, and as a learner, that would be the approach you can take as well. And then we just go from there. Okay, so we can learn. Then we'll start the instruction game. Kapule a ka haku. E ko maku. Makua I loko o ka lani. E ho'ano ia ko inoa. E hiki mai ko aupuni. E malama ia ko make ma ka honua nei e like me ia I malama ia ma ka lani la. E ha'awi mai ia maku I ke ia la I ai na maku na neia la. E kala mai ho'i ia mako I ka mako lawehala ana me mako e kala nei e ka po'e I lawehala I ka mako. Ma ho'oku'u oi ia mako I ka ho'owale ia mai. E ho'opakele no nai ia mako I ka ino. Because He is our Lord, no ka mea no ke apuni a me ka mana a me ka onani ia amau loa aku. Amene. Wow. All right, so that was it. So now let's start. Let's see what we get here. Okay. All right. So this first problem here is matching one for one. We find one word and we match it to the other word that's the same or similar meaning, and we just go through it. Below here there are flashcards that we could use to refer to help us through, but I like to try to go without using the flashcards to challenge myself, and then helps me to learn more effectively. However, everyone's different. You may have a style that you like to use the flashcards because it's better for your learning. It's more effective. That's great too. So either way, which is better for you, everything we're doing you can do independently. So that's it. Whatever is most effective for you. Okay, let's go ahead and go through. So, hiki, ka. Oh, there's a ka and a ka. Ka. Ia. Ia. A. Si. O. I. Po'e. Po'e. Nei. Ko. Kala. Pule. Haku. Ho'ano, I guess. Ho'ano, that might be a longer Mako. I notice I'm doing all the words first because it's easier. It's just matching. Okay, Makua. Alright, so now we're left with some phrases. Let's see what we have here. Ehiki mai ko aupuni. Okay, that's right here. I was trying to think, is that the first? No. E ko makua I loko o kalani. Well, before we even do that, this one here, I'm not trying to learn everything now. This looks like it matches. They're both long. I didn't read the whole thing. E ko makua I loko o kalani. E ho'ano ia ko inoa. E ko makua I loko o kalani. E ho'ano ia ko inoa. Oh, hold on. is e hoa no ya ko inoa. E ko mako makua. This one of these is our Father in heaven. The other one is hallowed be thy name. I'm going to say this is hallowed be thy name. Oh, that was wrong. Okay, our Father art in heaven. E ko maku makua I loko o kalani. Okay. E ho ano yako inoa. Hallowed be thy name. Okay. Okay, so now starting with e ho ano yako inoa. And hallowed be thy name. Okay. E ho ano. Okay. E hiki mai ko aupuni. Amene. E ho ano ya koa inoa. Hallowed be thy name. Okay. Hiki. We're going to finish soon. I'm just going to go through one by one. Aupuni. Ya. Ya. It looks the same. Long A. Mako. Mako. E ho ano ya ko inoa. I lawehala. Lawehala. And just the same one before. E ho ano ya ko inoa. Hallowed be thy name. Ka. Nei. Ka. This is e ho ano ya ko inoa. E ho ano ya ko inoa. Pule. Wow. This is step by step. This is really taking time. This there. E ho ano ya ko inoa. Loco. Oh, okay, here we go. Now we have a different memory matching. And we have to find the same one. Amene. Hiki. Okay, hiki. Ka. Ho ano haku. Apuni. Mai. Ka. Oh, that was ka. Yep. Ka. I. Amene. That was over here. Amene. Ka. O. Haku. What's this one? How to be? Oh. No. That one. Kapule Akahaku. Our Father art in heaven. That's this one here. Eko maku makua I loko o kailani. E ho ano yako inoa. We know that one now. Nei. Mako. Nei. We just said that. Anna. Makua. Ko. Aupuni was up here. Oh yeah, Aupuni. Ho ano. The Lord's Prayer is e hiki mai ko Aupuni. The Lord's Prayer, kapule a kahaku. Was that the Lord? I guess it is. That's the only other one that's... Alright. Maku. Ko. O. O is here. Maku. Oh, that's here. I hit that right by accident. Anna. Mai. I said Mai or May? Anna. Ko. Makua. Ho ano. haku, ho'ano, mai, haku, ko, ka, haku, ka, and ko. Wow. Oh, we have more we can do. I'm gonna stop there. We can keep going. There's unlimited time. To kind of get the idea. We ano ya ko inoa. How'll be that name? We can if you can go to different types of games as well. Instruction, Lord's Prayer, and skill games. Test if you think you know it. But this kind of helps to familiarize with the words used as well, so we can actually feel comfortable. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.